Laredo College, your business dream starts here. The Small Business Incubator empowers students to turn ideas into real ventures through leadership training, coaching, hands-on workshops, and the chance to pitch for seed funding.
Pitching at the Palomino Pitch Fest changed my confidence by getting out of my comfort zone. The mentors in the Small Business Incubator impacted me by believing in my business. If I could describe the Small Business Incubator in one word, it would definitely be opportunity. Anybody watching this video should sign up for the Small Business Incubator because it's free, open to the public, expert-led sessions, and coaching and mentoring.
The students evolved throughout the process, throughout all the sessions, when they learned about the legal perspective, the marketing perspective, business planning, pitching, and networking. They really took all of that and put it into their small business so they can help further their small business.
For me, what was it like preparing for Palomino Fest was we had a lot of meetings and which were great, very informative, and they gave me like a list of how to structure my sentences and my presentation to make it go by more smoothly, and that helped a lot. That did help. The mentors, they supported us because it wasn't just me, but they supported us in a way where they gave us life experiences from other people from different careers to help inform us on their journey. What was it like for them to go from where they started to where they're at now? And for me, that really did help me in the long run. One skill that I gained here that I could use for the rest of my life is just go for it. Confidence, just go for it. If you feel like you love it and you want to do it, plan and then just go for it and stick to your plan.
Before joining the Small Business Incubator, my business had just been established, but I lacked vision and structure. Now I have a clear strategy, confidence, and strong vision for growth. For students who are scared or unsure about starting a business, I would tell them that fear is normal, but waiting for the perfect moment will only hold you back. Start where you are, use what you have, and trust the process. People watching this video should sign up for the Small Business Incubator because this program gives you the tools, support, and confidence you need to turn your idea into reality. If you're serious about building something meaningful, this is the place to start.
What makes the Small Business Incubator here at Laredo College different from other programs is that there's a venture competition attached to the Small Business Incubator that we have coined Palomino Pitch Fest. Palomino Pitch Fest allows students to pitch their ideas in front of a panel of judges for a chance to win seed money to actually start the business. So the winning idea walks away with money to actually launch the business and get started on their entrepreneurial endeavors.
Every student finishes the program at Palomino Pitch Fest, competing for seed funding and showcasing their vision. If you're ready to build something, this is your sign. Apply now.